Welcome to Business News. And the Kenya Revenue Authority, KRA, has commenced the exchange of information on the financial dealings by Kenyans in 77 foreign countries amid escalated crackdowns on tax dodgers and recipients of illegitimate wealth. The taxman says that the exchange will apply for information returns from the 77 nations beginning 1st January 2026. NTV's Brian George has the details.
Pursuant to the provisions of the Regulation 2 of the Tax Procedures Common Reporting Standards Regulation of 2023, and in accordance with the powers conferred upon the Commissioner under the Tax Procedures Act Cap 469B, KRA said in a reminder to financial reporting institutions that the list of jurisdictions that will apply for the purposes of common reporting standards has been published. This list is applicable for information returns related to periods beginning 1st January 2025. The new list of information exchange countries is, however, shorter than an earlier one published by the Treasury, which had 106 nations. Notable omissions in the latest KRA list include Cayman Islands, Bermuda, and the British Virgin Islands. The Common Reporting Standard Regulations, which were signed by the then Treasury Cabinet Secretary Njuguna Ndung'u on the 27th of January 2023, granted KRA unrestricted access to information on secret bank accounts held by Kenyans in select foreign countries amid stepped-up purges on tax dodgers and beneficiaries of illicit wealth. Under the rules, all Kenyan banks, trusts, and other resident financial firms, including local branches of non-resident financial institutions, are required to report to the taxman information on foreign bank account numbers, names, addresses, residences, tax identification numbers, TINs, date and places of birth, and persons listed as their beneficiaries. KRA would then share this information with participating countries, including common tax havens such as Switzerland, Panama, Mauritius, Jersey, and Monaco, in turn receive from them information on Kenyans holding bank accounts in their jurisdictions. Where bank accounts are held by companies, information on registered owners of the entities will be reported. Also to be disclosed is the amount of money held in the accounts or other value of accounts and their surrender value if insured. For custodial accounts, the institutions will be required to report the total gross interest, dividends, and income credited to the accounts during the year and proceeds from the sale or redemption of any financial assets credited to the accounts. Brian George, Otieno, NTV, Nairobi.
The upcoming Premier Sports